I'm in Scotland's frigid Bay of Firth, below the surface and getting up close and personal with a strange formation that we hope is the inspiration for all henge monuments.
Josh, look at this. Start more to the vertical.
Oh! It looks like a henge. It has this perfectly circular outer edge. I mean, and you can see how it rises up in the middle. You see what looks like a platform. Really wild.
Yeah, it's one of a kind. We just haven't seen anything like this anywhere else.
Okay, what's the plan now?
Grab the sonar unit, bring it down here. We can get even more resolution.
We have the surface team lower the sonar unit to the ocean floor, and we prepare for a hyper-detailed scan of the site.
Okay, tripod's in position. Give us a 360 scan.
Okay, we're starting to scan.
John, my head is about 2 feet from this thing. Is that going to be a problem?
It's not recommended, but it is safe.
Richard and I swim out of the way to let the scanner do its job.
So as the sonar scans around, it will build up a 3D point cloud of that area.
It only takes minutes for the machine to collect millions of data points, rendering an image in real time.
So the scan is completed now.
Okay. That's amazing, guys. There's fabulous detail, just even so quickly. That's just incredible.
After hours in near freezing water, we're eager to make our way topside, thaw out, and examine the scan. What do we got? How cool is that?
Hey, it worked.
The combined scans from above and below have come through crystal clear, giving Caroline and Richard the most accurate model yet of the mysterious underwater feature. You can really see the pattern of it, really.
Absolutely, it is. It's that very distinct outer part of the circle. The oldest henges, they occur in Orkney. Well, they have to be inspired by something. Our work here tells us that they would have seen this on a land surface.
The formation we saw underwater, so reminiscent of the banks and ditches of Stonehenge and Stennis, may in fact have been the reason for their existence, as the people migrating south sought to emulate the site here. It's impossible to ignore how similar it is in some ways to these henges we see on Orkney and other places. Do you think this is a part of that story?
The henges mimic it so closely. It's got the platform, the ditch, it's the same sort of size, but natural.
Yeah.
Is it a coincidence that we get something like this where these sites are developed? It could be a mother henge. It turns everything on its head. You wouldn't think that would be the genesis of something as magnificent as Stonehenge.
In search of Stonehenge's origins, I've gone all around the United Kingdom, traveling through time in the process. I've seen how technology is settling long simmering debates about the site's purpose. While Stonehenge is a place of ritual, it wasn't just used for celebrations. This appears to be a cemetery, a land of the dead. But it's also part of a much larger story. It's connected to superhenges and to monuments in Wales and in Orkney that are older than we once thought possible. And in cold Scottish waters, the origins of all henge monuments might finally be coming into view. All of it tells a tale far richer than the popular myths and legends let on, of a restless and inventive people whose perseverance, ingenuity, and creativity would pave the way for the Britain that so many love and cherish today. Stonehenge will be here long after we're gone, and as the sun continues to rise and set across these mysterious stones, I'm left marveling, not just at the monuments, but at the people who lived, died, and endured here.